chapter, we are going to fill in the whole dress by creating a new print. There are many ways we can create print in Photoshop. We will learn a couple of them in this chapter. Then a new file. We make a new layer and we say fill, and instead of foreground color we say pattern. So in this tab you will see the new pattern that you have just created. Now just fill it. So see, magically that part that you have chosen as a repeat has been put as a pattern. So now let's take Control A, C, go here, take this and paste into. Since this pattern is looking quite straight, this is how you have created a pattern and put it inside. So what we can do is to reduce the size and make the skirt. What we can also do is, if you don't like the pattern, just go here and create, let's say, the eye pattern. Or edit, define pattern, here, go to another file, create a new layer, edit, fill, let's say Control A, C, and let's see how does that look inside this. So from a single pattern you can create 1,000 different patterns and you can see how they're looking with the illustration. So this is the whole point of making illustration, rendering illustration in Photoshop. So in this chapter you learned how to create patterns out of an existing pattern and fill in into your illustration.